Have you ever dreamed of transforming your newly purchased property into a stunning home? Picture this: your ideal renovation completed on time, within budget, and to the highest standards. Sounds too good to be true? Let me share a story that will change your mind. Meet Lydia, an experienced interior designer from Auckland with a clear vision for her newly purchased townhouse.
As an interior designer, I had some fairly lofty goals and ideas that I know were challenging.
She knew exactly how she wanted her dream property to look, but feared the renovation wouldn't be ready in time for Christmas and worried about hidden costs based on past experiences. Imagine the stress of seeing your dream house unfinished during the holidays, with expenses spiraling out of control. For Lydia, these concerns were very real. Delays and unforeseen costs could have ruined her plans, leaving her with a half-finished project and a lot of frustration. Lydia decided to trust the renovation team led by James Gorin. From the moment we got the keys in early November, our team worked tirelessly to ensure the project was completed before Christmas. Lydia's fears began to fade as she saw our dedication and thoroughness in every detail. Lydia said it best herself.
Thank you so much, James and the renovation team. We were so appreciative of the renovation that you did for us in our apartment.
We delivered her vision exactly as planned, on budget and on time. Contact the renovation team Lydia today, and let's transform your property into a dream home that stands out in the market.